There's nothing funny about this. What? No!
We decided to break up.
We've received a lot of rain overnight. A lot of the canals around Jemison Park. Just slow down, buddy, otherwise you go. Woo, 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 slow. Oh, fucking come on. Fucking you. Oh, excuse the language, but that's a smart ass if ever I've seen.
Brennan, who has Down syndrome, has wanted to be a cop since he was a kid.
You know why I pulled you over?
'Cause I was speeding?
No, 'cause you're black.
Wait.